So now let's connect that. Let's connect those two. Let's use a line segment. So double click, bring in a line segment, start point and end point. This will let us use these points as a start and these that we moved up as the end points. Now, if you're not seeing the components like I see them here, go to display, drawable icons, fancy wires, drawable names. And if you want to go and download sunglasses, that's how you'll be able to see the name of the component above. Okay, let's move on. Now we'll see that it creates a line segment between the start of these and the end of this one. Now we can move that like so. All right, the next part, we need to create